Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video I'd like to show you how to fill up the horrid hole in the ceiling as you see above me. This is the old extractor fan hole. So I'm gonna show you how to block it first and then fill it with polyfilla so it's ready for painting. So to block it we need two pieces of wood. It could be any wood. I've got exterior plywood, but it could be MDF or just simple wood. And also drywall screws that we're gonna screw this bit to the ceiling. To make it easier, I'm just screw two drywall screws right in the middle on the side of these pieces. So we can place both piece of wood inside the ceiling. And now as you see, these screws will help me to hold it when I screw the boards on the sides. Now we can remove these screws. And we need to cut the plasterboards that fit this hole. So I've got here the mixed polyfilla and also plastering trowel that I'm going to apply the polyfilla. So to fill the holes like this, it needs two coats of polyfilla. We applied just one. This needs to dry, then we can sand it down and apply a second one. So when this is almost completely dry, so we can sand out the edges all around and apply another coat. Now when this is completely dry, we can sand it again. So before painting, I recommend to wet it with this wet sponge, so there is no dust on it. Leave it to dry and then you can paint it. So this is still drying, it needs another coat, but when we apply another coat, so there will be no difference between this and the rest of the ceiling. So if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.